Ever skipped breakfast just because mornings are too hectic? You're not alone. Studies show over 25% of people do the same. But here's the secret. Starting your day with a high-protein, low-carb breakfast for weight loss can completely transform your energy, metabolism, and fat-burning potential. These quick low-carb breakfast ideas and easy high-protein breakfast recipes are perfect for anyone on a busy morning breakfast hack routine. Whether you're aiming for fat loss, muscle gain, or steady energy, the right high-protein low-carb meals for weight loss will keep you full and satisfied. Today, I'll share low-carb protein breakfast under 10 minutes, make-ahead low-carb breakfast hacks, and even portable high-protein breakfast tips, so you'll never need to skip the most important meal of the day again. A high-protein low-carb breakfast for weight loss is more than just a trend, it's science-backed. Starting your day with protein-rich low-carb foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or cottage cheese helps regulate appetite and keeps your energy levels stable. One reason is the thermic effect of food. Protein boosts metabolism, meaning your body burns more calories digesting easy high-protein breakfast recipes than it does with carbs or fats. When you eat low-carb protein breakfast under 10 minutes, your blood sugar stays stable. No more sugar crashes or brain fog. It's a true low-carb metabolism-boosting breakfast. Another huge benefit: satiety. Protein helps you feel full longer, which prevents constant snacking. That's why the best low-carb breakfast recipes often include egg breakfast low-carb high-protein dishes or Greek yogurt high-protein breakfast bowls. And here's the kicker. While you burn fat, protein helps preserve your lean muscle. Whether it's high-protein low-carb breakfast for women or men, this combo is perfect for fat loss and muscle maintenance. Truly the best breakfast foods for weight loss. If mornings are hectic, you'll love these quick low-carb breakfast ideas. First up, Greek yogurt topped with chia seeds and nuts. This Greek yogurt high-protein breakfast takes less than 3 minutes and gives you long-lasting energy. Another favorite, hard-boiled eggs with avocado. It's a simple breakfast for weight loss, packed with healthy fats and protein. Truly one of the best low-carb breakfast recipes for busy mornings. Need something sweeter? Try cottage cheese with berries. This low-carb cottage cheese breakfast is loaded with protein, fiber, and antioxidants. One of the most healthy breakfast meal prep options that feels like a treat. For on the go, nothing beats a protein smoothie for weight loss. Blend almond milk, spinach, and protein powder for a macro-friendly breakfast recipe that's both refreshing and filling. If you're craving savory, smoked salmon with cucumber slices is a game changer. This smoked salmon low-carb breakfast is elegant, quick, and perfect for a busy morning breakfast hack. Let's talk about make-ahead low-carb breakfast ideas that save time. First up, egg muffins with spinach and cheese. These egg muffins low-carb breakfast are portable, protein-rich, and perfect for healthy breakfast for weight loss. Another winner is overnight chia seed pudding. Add protein powder for a keto high-protein breakfast idea that you can grab straight from the fridge. Truly a lifesaver for a low-carb high-protein diet plan breakfast. Turkey sausage patties are a fantastic turkey low-carb recipe. Make a batch on Sunday and reheat all week. This is the definition of meal prep high-protein low-carb done right. Craving something sweet? Try almond flour protein pancakes. They're freezer-friendly and reheat in minutes. One of the best breakfast foods for weight loss and a staple in any protein powder breakfast recipe collection. For something savory, make a low-carb breakfast burrito. Use lettuce wraps or an egg wrap instead of tortillas. This low-carb breakfast wrap is not only delicious, but also a balanced low-carb high-protein meal. When mornings are chaotic, you need portable high-protein breakfast options. A clean label protein bar is a great choice. It doubles as protein bars for breakfast and works for a low-carb protein snack morning. Cheese sticks with almonds are another quick fix. This combo is packed with protein-rich low-carb foods and makes one of the quick keto breakfast recipes you can enjoy anywhere. Mini tuna salad lettuce cups are light, refreshing, and rich in protein. These tuna low-carb protein meals are perfect when you want a simple breakfast for weight loss that's also satisfying. If you're short on time, boiled eggs with veggie sticks are unbeatable. They're a classic egg breakfast low-carb high-protein option and count as quick high-protein low-carb meals under 10 minutes. For something different, try jerky with cucumber slices. It's salty, crunchy, and counts as low-carb meals under 30 minutes while fitting into a low-carb lifestyle diet plan. One common mistake is overloading on fats. Many think more fat means faster results, but it can sabotage your fat loss low-carb high-protein plan. Balance is key to balanced low-carb high-protein meals. Another mistake is skipping vegetables. Even in a keto high-protein breakfast idea, fiber-rich veggies are essential for digestion and energy. Think of it as a fiber-rich low-carb breakfast boost. Many rely only on processed low-carb protein snacks morning like bars or shakes. While they're handy, whole food options such as egg muffins, low-carb breakfast, or cottage cheese protein recipes are healthier. Hydration is often forgotten. A protein smoothie for weight loss or even a glass of water can boost metabolism. Skipping water slows digestion, especially when following a low-carb metabolism-boosting breakfast. Lastly, neglecting variety is a mistake. Rotate between protein pancakes low-carb, smoked salmon low-carb breakfast, or overnight chia pudding with protein to keep things exciting and sustainable. So, a high-protein low-carb breakfast for weight loss doesn't have to be complicated. From quick low-carb breakfast ideas to make-ahead low-carb breakfast, you can enjoy meals that are tasty and effective. By focusing on protein-rich low-carb foods, you'll support fat loss, steady energy, and even muscle maintenance. These are truly the best breakfast foods for weight loss. Even on a busy morning, you can grab a portable high-protein breakfast or prep low-carb breakfast meal prep ahead of time. It's all about building a sustainable low-carb lifestyle diet. Remember, small steps add up. Try rotating keto high-protein breakfast ideas, protein smoothies for weight loss, or protein bars for breakfast to keep things exciting. Start with just one recipe this week, maybe egg muffins low-carb breakfast or a low-carb breakfast wrap, and see the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite macro-friendly breakfast recipes in the comments.